You don't need your own product or a large audience or to be a wizard when it comes to tech skills to make 4-figure commissions online. Here's how. Hey, I'm Macaulay and welcome back to part 3 in my Intro to High Ticket Affiliate Marketing series. In the last video, we talked about why 90% of businesses fail almost at the very beginning, which, spoiler, it's because they're not profitable enough to see their business get off the ground, and why high ticket affiliate marketing is a path to success when it comes to online business. And so now that we have all of the groundwork and the philosophy out of the way, in this video we're going to talk about how high ticket affiliate marketing actually works, the step-by-step, how you can picture this working in your own life, even starting completely from scratch. It really comes down to 3 super basic steps. First, finding and selecting the right high ticket product to promote. We're talking 4 figures, right? Hopefully multiple 4 figures. 2, sending people to that product through paid advertising that has an incredible return on investment, which we talked about in video 1 of this series. And 3, you get paid when someone purchases that product. And that's it. It's really the same as basic affiliate marketing. The only difference is the amount of commission that's getting paid out. When we talk about high ticket affiliate marketing, we're talking about 4-figure commissions, $1,000, multiple thousands of dollars, so that you can start creating real change and real freedom that you wanted in the first place when you first started doing an online business. So let's walk through the 6 things that you're gonna need. First is an ad budget, and I can hear the crowd gasp right away, like, how am I gonna spend money on ads when I haven't even made anything for my business? I get it, I totally get it, okay? But hear me out, take a deep breath. Ads are the cornerstone of this business. Ads are how this business runs automatically in the background while you're out living your life, right? You have 2 alternatives to get eyeballs onto your product. The first is organic content. And right now, in order to be successful with that, we're talking 3+ short form things a day on TikTok and Instagram and all those places. And for me, I didn't want to be dancing on TikTok. I didn't want to be my face plastered everywhere for the algorithm. Just pray to the algorithm gods that my stuff would get pushed out to the right people on the algorithm. That just was not for me. Honestly, I tried it for a small amount of time and I quickly realized that was not going to be it for me. I am starting an online business in order to have time freedom. So the first thing that you need to do is wrap your head around ads and ad spend. In part 1 of this video series, we talked about why the ROI on ad spend is so incredible. It's like having an ATM and you put $1 in and you get $3 back out. Why wouldn't you do that? I used the example of my personal mentor in this business model who last year spent $19,000 on ads, and you'd be like, whoa, but then she made $650,000 in profit. That is above typical return on investment, but the return on investment on ads is just wild. But obviously it's a new skill that you're gonna have to learn, and you have to wrap your head around it being an investment into your business. I'm all about time freedom. Time is my #1 non-renewable asset. So if you feel the same, this could be for you, but I need you to wrap your brain around the return on investment that comes with ad spend. But obviously I think it's one of the greatest returns on investment in the online space. Number 2 is you need a high ticket product or service to promote. And next video is all gonna be all about the criteria that you need in order to select the right product. You don't wanna just promote the first thing that comes across your screen. You Google, what are high ticket products and blah, 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 and you just choose the first one that you see. You need to evaluate the company and the product themselves. So I'm gonna walk through that in the next video. But just know this is where high ticket comes in, right? I explored Amazon affiliates just like everyone else, and when I saw that they pay out roughly 1 to 5%, I was like, excuse me? And these are on very small dollar item things, $20, maybe upwards of 100. Maybe if you're a tech channel, a couple hundred, but we're still talking pennies on the dollar. And number 3, you are going to need your automated systems. Again, this can sound scary. It's not that scary. It's heavier lift at the front and you do it once and it sets and it mostly rides. So in your automated systems, you're going to need some sort of landing page. You are going to need some sort of email autoresponder or text autoresponder. That's really popular nowadays. And then maybe a checkout page if you are going to do a front end low ticket offer. So those 3 things, and again, don't feel overwhelmed. Most high ticket products, like any other affiliate program worth its salt, is going to have mentorship and systems baked into the training process. And don't be super overwhelmed, but you are going to need the right attitude and be willing to learn some new skills. But just know that it's not that scary. 4, you are going to need time and energy. I feel like everyone on the internet nowadays is promising I don't know, blink twice and you'll make $1 million. And so you have to be committed to learning new skills. For me though, I was able to build my business while working a 9 to 5 and having 2 under 2, and now I have 3 under 4. And I would work on it for 60 to 90 minutes every single night while the kids were in bed, and you can just make so much good progress there. 5 is mentorship, and I talked about this briefly. Hopefully whatever affiliate product, high ticket affiliate product or service that you're partnering with is going to come with some sort of training platform. I learned the hard way through my very first dabbling into the online space that mentorship cuts through the noise, it cuts through all of the distraction, and it helps you actually get your business off the ground, and it just absolutely collapses that timeline. You can spend forever and ever watching YouTube videos, or you can get more condensed mentorship and training. I actually have a free 30-minute web class hosted by my personal mentor, Samara, and she's made over $4 million in this exact business model. And so if you're serious and you want to collapse those timelines and hear from someone directly who's really been very successful in this space, I would highly suggest watching that free web class down below. You can go ahead and check that out. And 6 is you're gonna need an audience. You need eyeballs on your offer, you need eyeballs on your product, you need eyeballs on your service in order to actually make sales. And we've talked about this a little bit, but there's 2 ways to do that. One is organic content. That's going to be the dancing on TikTok, that's going to be the constant Instagram reels, that kind of stuff, or it's going to be paid advertising. And hopefully I've already painted the picture for you on why I'm such a huge fan of paid advertising. I started with 0 followers, you're probably starting from 0 followers, and that's why paid advertising is so incredible. You don't have to spend years hitting the algorithm just right, going viral to build this big follower base. You get eyeballs on your offer and on your product straight away from day one, which is why it is just so powerful. Again, how are you paying for the ads? You're not just making $7 commissions or $20 commissions. You're making 4-figure commissions. And so it is very easy at that point to take a small amount of that and reinvest it into your business to then scale the machine up even more, right? That is why ads are possible. Ads are not possible when you have either a small dollar item that you are promoting or you're getting very small commissions off of what you're promoting. That's why high ticket affiliate marketing is so powerful. So you might be thinking, okay, McCall, this is great. What's the next step? Grab a notebook and a pen and watch the free 30-minute web class down below, hosted by my personal 7-figure mentor. So that's it for part 3. In part 4, we're going to talk about evaluating and choosing the right high ticket offer. So either go ahead and check out the links in the description below, or I will go ahead and see you in part 4.